Hello my dear students, welcome to today's session on Nematoda or Nematohelminthes, general characteristics and schematic classification up to class. In this class, we will explore the fascinating world of roundworms, scientifically known as Phylum Nematohelminthes or Nematoda. These are unsegmented, cylindrical, bilaterally symmetrical pseudocoelomates animal that occupy a wide range of habitats from soil and freshwater to parasitic forms living inside plants and animals. Their simple body structure, tough cuticle and remarkable adaptability make them one of the most successful groups in the animal kingdom. Nematohelminthes general characteristics: their body is unsegmented, elongated, bilaterally symmetrical and pointed at both ends. They are basically triploblastic like platyhelminthes and have a larger body cavity compared to flatworms. Their body is covered with a thick, flexible, multi-layered cuticle and it may have hairs, spines or rings. Their cuticle is shed or molted from time to time. The skin or epidermis is syncytial, meaning many nuclei share a common cytoplasm. Only longitudinal muscles are present in their body. There is no circular muscle. Their body cavity is pseudocele, often filled with parenchyma. Digestive system of their body is complete with mouth, pharynx, intestine and anus. Their digestion is extracellular in nature. Mouth is surrounded by 6 lips. There is no circulatory system or respiratory organs. Sometimes hemoglobin is present in their pseudocele fluid. Excretion occurs through renate cells or adenophoria or canal system in Serencia. They have no flame cells or nephridia. Their dorsal and ventral nerve cords lie in the epidermis. Their chemosensory organs called amphids are present on leaves. They are derived from modified cilia. Their sexes are separate and male or females are different. Tubular gonads are present in their body. The sperms are amoeboid, that is, they crawl like amoeba. The fertilization is internal, but the cleavage process is determinate or mosaic type cleavage. They show complex life cycles, may be free living, plant parasitic or animal parasitic. These are the image showing the different nematohelminthic organisms. Schematic classification up to class. The phylum Nematoda can be divided into two classes, Adenophoria or Aphasmida and Secrencia or Phasmida. These are the examples showing different types of nematoda. So Adenophoria or Aphasmida, the key features are they have caudal adhesive glands and epidermal glands usually present, but there is no phasmid. That's why the group is known as Aphasmida. Phasmid is basically chemosensory papilla at present at tail end. Their amphids are post-labial and may be pouch-like or tube-like. Coelomocytes are well developed. Their excretion occur only through renate cells. No collecting tubules are there. Their males usually lack caudal ali. Males generally have two testes. They are mostly marine, also includes freshwater, soil and parasitic forms. Examples include Enoplas, Anticoma, Dorylaemias, Tylen Cholamias, Zyphenaria, or Trichodoris. Secrencia or Phasmida. The phasmid present at the tail region. Their amphids are pore-like. Excretory system is canal-like and it's more complex. There is no epidermal or caudal adhesive glands, but the males have a single testis. They are mostly parasitic species. Free living members are mainly terrestrial or they are soil living. Examples include Rhabditis, Heterodera, Bunonema, Ankylostoma duodenal or hookworm, Strongylas, Trichostrongylas, Ascaris, Wuchereria, Loa, Brugia, etc. So here is a table comparing the characteristic of the two classes, Adenophoria or Aphasmida and Phasmida in the phylum Nematoda. Thank you my dear students for staying with me till the end of this class. I hope this session on Nematohelminthes helped you understand their key features and classification in a clear and simple way. Keep revising, keep exploring, and biology will always feel easy and exciting. If you found this helpful, do like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next class. Until then, keep learning with a smile.